In this video, let's talk about what size of the Porsche wheel spacer that will make the front wheel to be flush with the fenders. You can run different sizes of the Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers with no problems. However, different versions of the Porsche Cayenne may have different distance from the front wheels to the fenders. Even if they are the same exact cars, this gap between the front wheel and the rear wheel is different. Knowing how much the wheel gap helps you choose the correct wheel spacer size, which can make the Porsche Cayenne wheel flush with the fender. Place a straight edge against the outermost part of the tires. Then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line. If the rear wheel is 10 mm, then 10 mm Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers will flush the wheels with the fender. High-end Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers should not be bad for your cars. Unlike most spacers people find in the market, BONOSS spacers are exceptionally strong, making them very durable. Such spacers can handle more forces without breaking. Due to the super forging process, BONOSS Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers are lighter and have better corrosion resistance. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exclusive and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. A key advantage of BONOSS Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers is the Lightweight Plus feature. The benefit of the Lightweight Plus design of BONOSS forged Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall compact of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.